Most students don't lose because they're not intelligent. They lose because their days are unstructured. They wake up into noise, they study in confusion, they rest in guilt, and they repeat this until exhaustion becomes normal. The perfect routine is not about doing more. It's about doing the right things, in the right order, for the right reasons. Let me walk you through a daily routine that trains focus, discipline, and direction, not just grades. Your day should not start with your phone. It should start with your state. Before messages, before timelines, before other people's lives enter your head, your body and mind need a reset. Light, water, movement, silence. Even 10 minutes of this trains your nervous system to lead the day, not chase it. Students who win don't wake up reactive. They wake up intentional. The next block of your day is not entertainment and it is not errands. It is your highest value work. This is where serious students separate themselves. 1 to 2 hours where you touch what builds your future. Studying, skill building, practicing, reading, creating. Not everything, just the most important thing. This block trains your brain to associate mornings with progress. And what the brain associates, it protects. Then comes structured school time, classes, lectures, assignments, group work. But instead of letting school drain you, you use it strategically. You take notes to understand, not to decorate pages. You ask questions to remove confusion early, not to panic later. You review small things daily so you don't beg memory during exams. Smart students don't study hard, they study continuously. Your afternoon is not for collapsing, it is for controlled recovery and secondary progress. Eat properly, rest briefly, then do one more focused block, homework, revisions, personal projects, online skills, business ideas. This is where most futures are quietly built, not in class, but in what you choose to do after class. Your evening is for alignment, not escape. This is where you slow your body down and sharpen your mind. Light review, planning tomorrow, tracking money, reflecting on how the day was spent. If you don't close your day, it will close you. Students who win don't end days accidentally. They end them consciously. And before sleep, protect your input. What you watch, what you listen to, what you scroll, because your last hour is programming tomorrow's mood. Sleep is not just rest. It is mental preparation. Here is the truth. There is no perfect routine, but there is a smart one. A routine that protects your attention, trains your discipline, builds your future daily, and leaves you with less regret at night. Start simple. Fix your mornings. Build one focus block. Structure your evenings. Your life will reorganize itself around what you repeat. If you are a student and you want more than survival, more than grades, more than noise, stay here. Because we're not just improving habits, we're raising a smarter generation.